Hi, I'm Keith from Amina, and today I'm going to answer that question, what if it fails? That's a question that everybody seems to be bringing up when they're talking about putting an investment in a wall and then plastering over top of it. Well, we thought about it long and hard when we started off, and we've always thought that external protection is the best. We used to have filters and we used to have thermistors, but thermistors fail over time. We thought we got to make something really fail safe, and we came up with the active protection, the Guardian. The Guardian is a unit that is powered externally with a 5-volt power supply, USB power supply, in order to power up a microprocessor that is programmed with an algorithm for 30, 50 or 75 watts in the 2-channel unit, 150 to 200 watts for the protection unit that goes with the subs. That's a single channel unit. And then of course we come to the whole house system where we have to have multiple inputs. 16 channels, or if you don't need that many, you only have to buy 8 channels. It's a half rack populated, but still in a full 19-inch 1U rack space. The setup is pretty easy. The microprocessor is controlled by a series of dip switches that sets up the voltages at which it becomes active. The relay puts in a 20 dB mute. That 20 dB mute is going to protect your speaker, so that whenever somebody is turning up the volume and they turn it up too loud, it will actually click in and you'll hear a click on the relay, and it will actually then mute the speaker. The person will go, oh my God, I blew the speaker, turn it down, and it comes back up again. So we've saved the speaker from having to be pulled out of the wall. The setup, pretty simple. On the internal side, you'll find the setups for 30, 50, 75 watts, and they're set up with dip switches. So let's set this one up. This is for an AGP3, and we say, okay, this needs to be on, on, on. That is off. This one is on, and the remainder is off. Now we've set this one up for 30 watts. And that is as simple as it gets. You screw the panel back up, mark on the top what wattage is set up on which channel. As I said, very simple installation with the Phoenix connector, and you're done. You've got your speakers protected.